Hello joyful people and hello coffee lovers. Welcome to 4J Kitchen, where we bring the kitchen closer to you. Hello joyful people and hello coffee lovers. Welcome to FULCRUM COFFEE, where we engineered for your taste. And welcome for today's vlog. Welcome to 4J Kitchen, where we bring the kitchen closer to you. And for today's video, we're going to feature FULCRUM COFFEE here, one of the famous coffee shops here in the city of Butuan. And right now, I am holding these coffee beans. Later on, makatilaw ta sa ilang mga flavor drink ng mga coffee. And for the meantime, magkatanong ko gamay intro sa inyong mga naamidrik ka doon sa FULCRUM COFFEE because gina-feature na mo ang mga partner ng mga establishments, restaurants, coffee shops, and resort because on their coffee shop or indoor kitchen, ang nag-andam, nag-fabricate, nag-design, nag-create, o nag-install sa ilang mga kitchen equipments ang 4J SS FAB CORP. So, basin, tingnan mo nga nung 4J Kitchen, pero naabot ng mga restaurants, hotels, resorts, and coffee shop because this is our way of saying thank you sa lahat ng ating mga clients sa 4J SS FAB CORP, where we design, we create, we fabricate, and we install stainless steel kitchen equipment. So guys, please join me as I give you a quick tour only here at FULCRUM COFFEE, where they engineered for your taste. Alright, so we're done with our introduction, and right now we're going to give you a quick tour sa atong barista din na si Kim, because going to give us a coffee because ang FULCRUM is famous on their mocha, both the cold and the hot drink. So right now, please join me for the process of this mga in-demand or mga best sellers na coffee. There is a FULCRUM COFFEE, again, where they engineered for your taste. Please join me. By the way, guys, just for an information, actually, FULCRUM COFFEE is actually a homegrown coffee shop here in the city of Butuan. So they have actually two branches apart from this main. They have the Robinsons, I think, right? Yeah. Robinsons branch and the SM branch. So again, if you are to all coffee lovers out there, can you please check it out and try to visit their branches sa FULCRUM COFFEE. Again, we're the engineered for your taste. So So ito po kanilang isa sa mga best seller nila, kanilang cafe na mocha. Okay, so we're done with our video on how Kim prepared our cold and hot coffee drinks na itong paandam sa iyaha. So right now, we're going to interview some of their customers, mga valued customers, din sa FULCRUM Coffee. So right now, please join me as I go on sa kanilang short na mga chit-chat. Please join me. Ayun. Hello, gorgeous ladies. Sorry ka. Alright, right now we're going to interview some of their valued customers. This is FULCRUM Coffee. So right now, we have students coming from the University of San Carlos in Cebu, mga paring BISITA. Ito mga students sa psychology. So hi, what's your name again?
I'm Jill.
Jill. Patricia?
Aliyah.
Aliyah. Ayan, mga pangalan pala. Sexy at napakaganda na. Well, ganong ginapili man ninyo sa magtambay di alis sa FULCRUM?
Actually, ganahan ko sa ilahang drink at masalilang kape ko.
Kape mo, kamuhin ko subit nila, no? How about you? What's your favorite?
I like their service po.
The service. Oh, in the service of the Filipino. And how about you, Patricia na?
Aliyah.
Ay, Aliyah.
I love their wine.
I love their wine. Nakulbaan ko. I love their wine. Wi-Fi pala. Gusto na kayo. Gusto kayo. Kuha na nila, no? Connection sa Wi-Fi. Reliable source na nila. Itago na nato sa pangalan na Globe DSL. Combination. So, thank you so much guys for your time. Please don't forget pala to subscribe our official YouTube channel at 4J Kitchen. So guys, mga itong mga nagagandang nila from Butuan City, mga students from University of San Carlos in Cebu City. Thank you guys!
Thank you!
So that's it for today's vlog. Madlang people, mga joyful people, thank you so much for watching 4J Kitchen. Again, if you want to know more about our videos, and at the same time, mga promotional videos sa mga items, please don't forget to subscribe our official YouTube channel at 4J Kitchen, and please don't forget also to like and follow us on our official Facebook page at 4J SS FAB CORP. Again, sa 4J Kitchen, we bring the kitchen closer to you. Thank you so much. FULCRUM Coffee.